Today we are doing work with more inequalities. Here we have a description in words and we need to translate it into numbers. So B says twice a number is less than or equal to 9. We don't know what the number is, so we're going to use X. Twice means 2 times, so we're just going to write 2X is less than or equal to 9. C says 7 more than a number is greater than or equal to -3. So 7 more than a number is greater than or equal to -3. You need to try D. E and F, these are challenge ones. If you can't figure them out, that is okay. Okay, here we're going the other direction. So we're changing this into words. So here I see X minus 5 is less than or equal to 9. That's also saying 5 less than a number. I'm just going to say X, okay, is less than or equal to 9. So you're trying to translate C and D from math into English. In our previous work, we learned that we can write inequalities 2 ways. So we need to write these inequalities the other way. So here we have X minus 5 is less than or equal to 8. That's the same thing as saying 8 is greater than or equal to X minus 5. So our strategy is we are flipping the side that it's on, and we are also flipping the sign. So for this one, we would start with 2x minus 8 is greater than 3. So you need to try C and D. So for number 4, what you are doing is you are replacing x with 2 to see if x is a solution to the inequality. So here I would do like 2 times 2 plus 3. 2 times 2 is 4 plus 3 is 7. And then I'm going to see, okay, is 7 greater than or equal to 8? No. So 2 is not a solution. For D, we'll do a similar thing. So we'll do 7 minus 3 times 2. So that would be 7 minus 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. And now we're going to check, is 1 less than or equal to 1? So we have includes it, or equal to. So this is a yes. So it is a solution. You need to try E, F, G, and H. I will be honest, number 5 is tricky. This is like a puzzle, okay? So a strategy can be to figure out a number, pick a number for x, and then see how it works. So 4 times a number, so this is saying 4x is 12 or more. Okay, so that's saying we know 12. So it needs to be 12 or it needs to be greater than 12. So 4x is greater than or equal to 12. C says 0.2 less than a number is not less than 0.3. Okay, so x minus 0.2. So we're saying if we have a number, we take away 0.2, that is not less than 0.3. The same thing as saying not less is greater than 0.3. Let's see if that makes sense. So x minus 0.2, so that's 0.2 less than a number, is greater than, which is the same thing as not less than 0.3. As long as you copy this down, you are fine. If you want a challenge, I'm going to challenge you to do D, E, and F. If it is making your brain hurt and you are getting frustrated, you can move on. Okay, and finally, we are completing a table. It is going to tell us what x is, and then you need to plug in x in the expression. So here we have to do -1 times 2 negative 1, I'll write it up here, negative 1 times 2 equals negative 2. So here we would write negative 2. And then we're going to do negative 2 plus 1. So negative 2 plus 1 equals negative 1. Now we're checking, is negative 2 plus 1 less than 4? So is negative 1 less than 4? Yes. You need to do that for each one. Then you're going to move on to 8 and make some predictions. So we need to think, do you think that negative 3 is going to be a solution? I'm going to say yes. Oopsies. Because I'm noticing that as I go this way, as I get more negative, it is a solution. But as I get more positive, it is not a solution. So what you need to do is finish B and finish A, and then you will be done.